Hey guys! Maintaining personal hygiene is important in the time of COVID-19. Meet WASHWOW W1. It is designed for the sake of your wallet and our planet. Using water and electrolysis technology, it creates a cleaning environment just like detergent and bleach. W1 can remove 99% of bacteria, viruses, and germs. W1 can also be used for cleaning vegetables and fruit. It turns on automatically when it's in the water. Eco-friendly, cost-saving, these gadgets can be used for cleaning clothes, underwear, baby items, and even tableware. It can be reused up to dozens of times, which means it will save you a lot of money. Our full charge lasts 4 times of use. In just 30 minutes, everything will be clean and fresh. It's the time to have an eco-friendly cleaning experience.